You want to know what is the judgment? First of all, let me talk to you about Hades. I met him a few months ago. In the place where he is, half of the place is light. There is light where his mansion is, and the other side of the place is extremely dark. I saw him when I tried to follow somebody that I know that was under his care, because this person murdered people. So I followed him because I know this person. He happens to be my relative. All right. In the place of Hades, where he managed that place, Dolores Cannon used to call it a cleansing fire. How does it look like? It looks like a well, but it's not water. It's fire that is in there. There is a trap because the size of the well is just good enough for one person. So meaning in that place there are plenty of that kind of pet. It's a pet that has fire in it. And there is a huge building, but you cannot see the top of the building because it's extremely dark. There is a huge gate, and the only thing that you will see is the front part of that place. The very back part of the place, you cannot see it because it's extremely dark. This place is where the souls that has murdered people is being trapped. I saw my relative there. I saw him there. But then the next time I went back, he's no longer there. Meaning, Dolores Cannon is right. This is just temporary cleansing of the soul. Now, who are the souls that will go there? Those who murdered people. The murderers will go there, and then the way Archangel Michael explained to me, after a certain period of time that they spent this under this cleansing fire, they have to be taken out, and there is some kind of schooling. It's like fixing the soul, renewing the soul, teaching them how to evolve in a certain place for them that will last in our time as 100 years. It's compared to 100 years in our time. That is the length of the schooling. So, basically, before a murderer can evolve again, it will take him more than 100 years in our time to be able to have rebirth in 3D. This is how Archangel Michael explained to me. And checking on Dolores Cannon's work, I saw the video that says the same thing. So, I didn't invent this. This is real. So, meaning, the judgment that I am hearing is real. Very, very real. With Archangel Michael and Dolores Cannon saying the same thing. It's very real. So this will be for people who murdered a soul. Regardless of who that soul is, as long as you murder, you're going to that kind judgment. So I don't want to mention people, but you have the clue. You certainly have the clue, especially those people living close to this group of people that are trying to harm me. You know pretty well what's going on. If I know that I am very far, you certainly know what's going on there. If I saw them that I am really far, I know lots of people that living close are aware of what they are really going on, what they do, what's going on in their life. Archangel Michael won't say these words to me if they are honest, if they are living in the light. All right? I'm not the one judging. All right? And the reason they are being judged is because of their own doing.